Dollar Canadian dollar daily forecast, March 13th, FXEmpire.com. The dollar CAD, as you can see, fell during most of the session here on Thursday, but ultimately ended up bouncing enough to form a pretty significant hammer here. Definitely impressive. So it tells us that the buyers are still underneath and willing to get involved to make your pair go higher. Now, the truth of the matter is that Canadian dollar, of course, is always tied to the oil markets, given enough time. So, really, with that, it's very likely that the markets will continue to be inverse. And with that, with oil looking like it's ready to break down, and the fact that the U.S. dollar is so strong, it's really difficult to imagine this pair going too much lower. Anytime that we pull back at this point, we have to think of it as a simple value play. So we like pullbacks to 1.26 where we saw buyers step in. And we also think that we will eventually hit the 1.30 level. The 1.30 level, of course, is where the financial crisis stopped. So, having said that, we think that it's a pretty big deal and that the sellers will probably come there again and again to fight. But eventually, we expect this market to break out. And once it does, things could be more of a buy and hold situation. So we're just buying dips every time we pull back.